What's up, fellas? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. And boy, have I got something I'm pretty excited about. I've been waiting for this for a while. I don't know if all you guys know the story, but I was watching TV, and I've seen this movie in the past, I don't know how many times, but I was just flicking through and I seen Corvette Summer on TV. And I was like, man, wouldn't that be kind of cool to build that Corvette? Even, I mean, a lot of people say the car's ugly, but the movie's kind of iconic. I think it's Mark Hamill's second movie right after Star Wars. And I thought that it would be pretty cool to build this. So I was thinking, I'm going to call Joel from ICEMAN Collections and see what he can do, So I was looking on the internet for a little bit, and I seen some files, and I asked, I got a hold of him and asked him, hey, can you make me one of these? And I sent him some pictures, and he actually found a better file. I guess he knew the guy. And he said, yeah, I can do it. So he actually made me one of these. And they're not out yet. So they're not actually for sale today. But I think January 1st, they're going to announce the date. I'm not sure about the price. I don't even think Joel is. And this kit is highly detailed. I mean, I think he's going to sell it as a curbside and with all the extras also if you want. So you'll have two options to have, like a curbside or one with I'll show you, one with the flip hood and all that stuff. So I went to the club meeting and he had it, and he was all, I got it all done, and I'm pretty excited. So let's break into this box and I'll show you what this is all about. So I think this is going to make a really cool build, and we'll show you what everything it comes with. Here's the glass. I think it's vacuum formed. The engine, and we'll get to that. The wheels. Interior stuff. I think there's door panels in here. More extra odds and ends, and we'll get to that too. So there's the doors, seats, stuff like that, and I'll show you everything. So, oh boy, what else is in here? Recommended prep work for it, and of course a sticker as always. So if you guys like what you see in the video, go check him out, man. He's actually got this kit on his website that you guys can check out, but we'll do a detailed view on it right here. So here's one body, okay, and there's the other body, and we'll get to those. I wanted to get this off. So look at that. Marty gave that to me, so thank you, Marty. Right, let's look. Okay, already he showed me that the pillars were broke on this kit. He's gonna get me another body. So if you guys have any issues with something, all you gotta do is show him, and he'll send you guys something else. I mean, I know of other people that have had an issue with something, and he's usually really quick about it. So, but this one here, the pillars broke, but that's no big deal. He's giving us another body. So let's check this out. This one here has got the doors that open, okay, but it's a curbside, so the hood doesn't open. So light clean up here, but this is real easy to clean up. So of course, on everything you get, you gotta have to clean something. I mean, some not as much. This is easy though to clean this up. So So there's body number 1, okay? We'll go ahead and put that one aside. Here's body number 2. Body number 1, it's got a chassis, okay? Body number 2 has a chassis, okay? Here's the hood for body number 2. It's got some light prep work again, but it's easy prep work. Okay. Pretty easy peasy. This one here, pillars are still intact. They're good. I'm gonna build both of them, and I've got plans for the curbside too. So that's a surprise though, because a lot of people don't know certain thing about the movie. So, and me and another buddy were talking about it. So this is just kind of like a optical illusion here. It's not really as bad as you might think it is. So there's body number 2, and I think I showed you the hood. Yes, I did. This hood here has the vents and all that, and I'll show you it separate on that one. So package number 2 is the doors. Which there's some cleanup, not a big deal. Second door. So, seats. Seats are pretty detailed. Next seat. The dash. Typical Corvette dash. It's right-hand drive. And in the movie it was, so just in case you didn't know. Console, pretty detailed console, needs a little cleanup, not bad. Steering wheel, be careful with that because it could be fragile. So there's bag number 1, and we'll put this next to the bag. The wheels, okay. Check out the wheels. He gave me 5, so I'm pretty sure the kit will come up 5. Probably for a spare or something. But yeah, these are pretty legit, man. The wheels are just like the car. I like it. Another wheel. These are separate pieces, so you can paint them. Look at that. Nice and pretty crisp. Again, they're separate. And they are crisp. So there's the wheels, and we'll put this with its bag. Okay. Here is the rear package part of the car, where the trunk lid would go, or whatever. There you go. A little bit of cleanup, probably gonna flock it anyway. Same with this, probably all get flocked. I will, I mean, so that's me. Door panel, pretty clean door card. And another door card. Look at the raised window crank. That's cool. That is way cool. I didn't even notice that at first. Okay, we'll put that with its bag. Here's the odds and ends and stuff on this car. I think somebody commented and said, oh, that doesn't look like the side pipe that comes with the kit, and I think we can manage. There you go, right there. And I got to look at some reference pictures just to make sure. That's pretty nice. Here's another one. Okay. Here is the spare tire cover. Okay, wonder if it fits over the spare tire. I don't think it... Oh, this goes on the bottom of the car. That's true. Okay, that's right. Let's see. Got it. Looks like there's A-arms in here. And a whole lot of stuff that it looks like there's hood pins, which I don't know if I'll use those hood pins. Shouldn't have just spilled it out like that. But here is the rest of the hood. Okay. The rear end. It's a complete kit, folks. It's a pretty nice kit. A-arms here. This looks like the rear where it says Stingray. Okay. Some more parts. It's like a leaf spring. What is this? I don't. Oh yeah, that's the headlight buckets. And there's another one. Ditto. Spindles, looks like. Looks like more front end pieces. And I'm gonna do a little bit more research on it. You might have to use another kit or something. I'm not so sure, but we'll do like a evaluation of what we're doing here. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. Look, I don't know what this is for yet, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, there's more front end pieces down here. It's just a little pile of parts, and I'll figure out what that's for. I don't even know what some of this is, so we have that. Now for the business end, okay? And the kit, it was a 454, so I'm pretty sure this is a 454 in the movie. And it's a typical ICEMAN resin motor, so I don't want to take it off here just right now, so it's pretty clean though. I've seen reference pics of the motor. It looks pretty authentic. I think that's a drive shaft right there. Yeah, there you go. So there's other little odds and ends in here too. So carb looks pretty nice. Alternator looks good. Looks pretty detailed. I'm gonna have fun with this. So that's pretty much this kit in a nutshell. So again, sign up for his monthly newsletter, and you'll find out when he has stuff like this coming up. And he's gonna announce the release date January 1st. So with that being said, don't forget to check it out. It's here at ICEMAN Collections, ICEMANcollections.com. Okay, so check him out. I don't know why you watch this crap. We say that at every video, but you guys do, and I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate the support and hope you guys like the video. A lot of people asked to do a kit review on this, and there you go. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Liking and subscribing is pretty important, so real easy. Just sub, people. All right, guys. I will talk at you later, and I'll see you in the next video. Next one will be an update on the Henry J interior, probably. All right, take care. Bye.